go to cycling.
Yeah. Okay. So we are discussing sorting materials into groups. What is sorting?
Ma'am, sorting means, ma'am, there is sorting the things that are alag alag means different.
Very good. So here we are going to discuss about sorting materials into group. Okay. Hassan Kapasi, will you start reading it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes, chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. 4.1, objects around us. We saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. We see around us of objects everywhere. We see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes, colors, colors and uses. Figure 4.1. 4.1. Look around and identify objects that are around in shape. Our list may include a rubber ball, a football, and a glass marble. If we included objects that are nearly round, our list could also ma'am,
Sorry,
can
sorry,
you
sorry,
ask?
sorry.
Okay. If we included objects that are nearly round, our list could also include objects like apples, oranges, and an earthen pitcher. Garha, garha, s- garha. Suppose, yes, suppose we were looking for objects that are edible. We might we might include all the items that we have listed in tables 1.2 and 1.3 in chapter 1. We might also find that some of those round shaped objects we just listed out are also in this group. Let's us say wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastics, buckets, lunch box, toys, water, containers, pipes, and many such objects. And many such objects may find a place in this group. There are so many ways to group objects. In the above example, we have grouped objects on the basis of their shape or the materials they are made from. All objects around us are made of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton, paper, mud, or soil. Can you think of more examples of materials?
Okay, enough, Peter. So what we were discussing, what we are going to discuss today, that we see many objects around us, and in the last three chapters, what we learned is there is a lot of variety of food. Please keep your mics mute. I'm getting disturbance. Thank you. So we saw that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. We saw many varieties of food, and we also saw some varieties of clothes, didn't we? How many varieties of clothes do we have? Can you name some?
Yes, ma'am. Cotton, silk,
Cotton, silk.
and and synthetic. Ma'am, synthetic
Very good. Clothes materials included in synthetic clothes would be
cotton, silk, then
The cotton and silk are which type of clothes? Which type of fabric, beta? Cotton and silk?
Natural.
Natural. So there would be some which are included in synthetic fibers, right? Can you name some synthetic ones? Can you
Nylon,
name
polyester.
very good, very, very good. Okay. So we just did not just food and clothes. There is such a vast variety of objects everywhere. There is so much variety around us everywhere. So we see around us a chair, a bullock cart, a cycle, cooking utensils, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. Don't we? So
Yes,
all these objects, yes, correct. So all these objects have different shapes, colors, and uses. So these objects have different shape. They do not look same. They have different colors and they also have different uses. Okay. Okay. There is a picture given on the screen. Can you look around and sort out the objects which are round in shape? There is a picture presented on the screen. Look at it and sort the objects which are round in shape.
it's around. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we say also,
Yeah.
ma'am, first round thing is this disc. Ma'am, ma'am, this Muhammad Hussain over his mic, no, so the voice is a lot. Ma'am, first is yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first is
Yes, I'm hearing you. I can listen to you.
ma'am, I am saying Hassan.
Yes, Hassan, but I can hear you. Yes, but I can hear you,
Hello,
beta.
ma'am.
हाँ
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. Ma'am, first is this disc near the mobile phone, and
Very nice.
second is this head of a doll, that
All right, that was also
teddy,
round in shape. Great.
and that head also starting point is round.
Okay, great.
Then the glass shape
Very good.
from upper side.
Hmm.
Then I mean this lock, there is hole, that also
Very good.
shape. Then is stapler.
Stapler. That's not a stapler. It's a plucker, I guess. जिससे हम वो नेल्स उखाड़ते हैं ना वो है वो.
Yes. Nail cutter.
Then there is a globe. Can't you see a globe?
Yes, ma'am. Globe. Then the near the glass. What is, ma'am, that near the
I
glass?
think I think it's a cell, something like cell. I think so, but I cannot to clearly make out what it is because first of all, it is black and white in color, so we cannot make out what it is. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, in mobile one switch, that main switch is also wrong.
Okay. Okay. All right. Chalo. That's it. Then what else? So we were looking for objects that are edible. Then in the first chapter, now tell me what is edible. What is edible? What is edible? Sorry.
Ma'am, mobile means that can
Yes, edible means. Yes, yes, yes. What is edible?
Edible means, ma'am. mm,
Ragib Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is edible, beta?
Edible.
Edible, edible. We have already discussed
Edible
about
means,
it.
ma'am, edible means a thing which can be eat.
Yes, exactly. The things which we can eat are edible things. So we might include all the items that we have listed in table 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 जो chapter 1 में हमने जो list बनाया था of the food that which we can eat, of the plants that we can eat, of the parts of the plant that we can eat. So these are the things which were edible. So we might also find that, please keep your mics mute, beta. There is a lot of disturbance behind you. Those whose mic is unmute, please mute it. Thank you. So we might also find that some of those round shaped objects were just listed out are also in this group. उनमें से जो round objects है, we can list them out in the shape of round objects. Okay. Now let us say we wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastics. Can you name some items which are not listed here and which you use in day-to-day life which are made of plastics? Can you name some
that are, ma'am, what? That are?
that are made of plastics? Plastic material.
Yes, yes. That round shape? No, ma'am. Round shape.
Not necessary, it should be round, it should be made of plastic. That is the main aim, that we are sorting out materials which we use in
Yes.
everyday life that are made of plastic.
Every day.
Hmm. Which you use every single day.
Ma'am, plastic bags.
Correct. Then plastic bags. Then what else?
What, ma'am? Second what?
Plastic bag. Then what else? Keep naming them. I want a list of some of the things which are made of plastic and which you use in everyday life.
Ma'am, bat is from plastic, but that we can't use every day.
That's okay, but you can name it. Okay, what else? Then is only Hassan Kapasi in the meeting? Others don't want to answer. Ahad Dholia, Ragib Hassan, Shafiq
Yes, ma'am.
Pariani.
What
Nobody
is
is
the
talking to
question?
me.
Yes, ma'am. हेलो मैम
हाँ
आपने भूले
हाँ जी.
यस
अब बात क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो?
मैम क्वेश्चन क्या है
List the names of the objects that are made of plastic which is available at your house. That is the question.
प्लास्टिक बैग्स प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स
Very good.
एंड प्लास्टिक टिफिन होता है फिर
Very
प्लास्टिक के
good.
डब्बे
Very
सब
good. Anything else?
नो मैम दूसरा
बस
कुछ
इतने.
नहीं जानते मैम हम बहुत गरीब
Pots. बहुत गरीब हो. Then pots. Pots
Yes,
are, some pots are made of plastic. Dustbins are made of plastic. There are
प्लास्टिक बॉक्स
so
yes, yes,
plastic box. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Shafiq Padiani, do you have to say something on this? इसके अलावा कोई और आइटम है जो प्लास्टिक की है और इन लोगों ने नहीं बताई?
Ma'am, we do the lamination on mobile. We use daily.
Okay, very nice. Who said that?
लेमिनेशन बुक्स के पुट्टे सब प्लास्टिक के होते हैं बुक्स
O-
लेमिनेशन
Okay, very
बॉल्स
nice.
प्लास्टिक के होते हैं बॉल्स.
Balls
हम बहुत
प्लास्टिक के
अमीर
होते
हैं
हैं. Good.
हम बहुत अमीर हैं
प्लास्टिक के
Okay,
बैग.
very nice. Then anything else?
प्लास्टिक के चम्मच. प्लास्टिक के मैम. प्लास्टिक के आपके
Spoon.
कवर में आते हैं ना वो. ओके.
Very good.
मैम
Disposable,
रेनकोट.
disposable
मैम
glasses and
रेनकोट.
spoons. Raincoat is plastic.
Yes.
Very nice. Very very
मैम
nice. हाँ
बाउल
जी.
होते हैं प्लास्टिक के.
बेटा बाउल नहीं बोलते, बोल बोलते
अम्ब्रेला.
हैं.
बॉल सॉरी.
Yeah. Umbrella also. Okay. We can include them in plastic. Very nice.
मैम
And
ग्लोब ऑल्सो ग्लोब.
sorry,
ग्लोब.
sorry, I did
लाइट.
not get.
लाइट.
Bulb, bulb.
यस.
Ah,
मैम
yes.
प्लास्टिक फोन.
Okay, great. चलो. Now tell me कि किस किसने जो एक्टिविटी बोली थी वो नहीं की. I did not get any message from Ahad Dolia. I did not get any message from Shafiq Pariani.
मैम आई
I
हैव
was
नॉट
expect.
गॉट.
अबे एक्टिविटी करने किसकी है
बेटा आप
हेलो
प्रेजेंट नहीं थे लेक्चर
नो
में.
मैम मैं आउट
तो
ऑफ टाउन
आपको
गया था मैम
तो आपको पूछना नहीं चाहिए कि मैम ने क्या कराया है. आपके फ्रेंड कौन है, किससे रेगुलरली बात करते हो आप?
हम आउट ऑफ टाउन गए तो कैसे बात करूँ आपसे
मुझसे नहीं, पर आपके फ्रेंड्स तो है ना, उनसे तो पूछ सकते थे बेटा कि मैम ने क्या करवाया
यस
है.
मैम यस मैम
फिर शफीक परियानी का भी मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी कि वो एक्टिविटी करेगा, उसने नहीं की.
तो मैं एक्टिविटी करने किसकी है मैं अभी भेजता हूँ
आई विल लेट यू नो. आप मुझे ये लेक्चर खत्म हो जाए उसके बाद कॉल करिएगा, मैं आपको बताऊंगी. ठीक है.
ओके मैम
ओके. सो शफीक परियानी बेटा आपने क्यों नहीं की? मैं सैड हो गई आपकी एक्टिविटी नहीं आई तो. रागे बसन आपने की थी.
नो मैम. मैम वो किशमिश यहाँ मिल गया था.
ओ ओ. ओके. आप करोगे, मैं वेट करूँ आपके लिए.
मैम मैं करूँगा
ओके बेटा. ओके. Arman Gori, Arman Gori also did not do. I was
यस
expecting it
मैम.
from him also. Only Hassan Kapasi had sent me. फिर किसने भेजी
अबे
थी मुझे?
ये बोर्ड है
हैं?
द बोर्ड है moving
क्या
the
हुआ?
जब खींची लाइट
डोलिया बेटा please mute your mic. Anybody else had sent me the activity from 6th E? If I'm missing out on somebody.
आई उस टाइम बाहर कर दी चलते पड़ रही थी मैं
Dolia, what is wrong with you?
नो मैम नथिंग
क्या क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हो आप, क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं मैम
So from your class, only Hassan Kapasi had done the activity and none of you.
मैम ये
Okay.
आपके डीपी में कौन है
मेरी डीपी में
ये आपके गूगल डीपी में
मैं खुद.
आपके है वो व्हाट्सएप डीपी में अलग हो रही है डीपी में अलग हो
मैं रियल में ऐसी ही हूँ.
ओके
Okay. Anything else you want to tell me?
No, ma'am.
Chalo, let's start the continue the chapter. Okay. So we already listed the items that we have, and according to the material, that is plastic. So all objects around us are made of one or more materials. These materials may be glass, metal, plastic, wood, cotton, paper, mud, or soil. Can you name five materials that are made of glass? Can you name 5 materials that are made from glass?
Ma'am, glass.
Glass, okay.
In glass that we drink.
Yes, correct. Then
Ma'am, window.
window, okay. Then
Then in chair, metal.
sorry,
Ma'am, metal was chair.
सिर्फ मुझे ग्लास की 5 आइटम्स बता दो बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
ग्लास हो
Ma'am,
गया,
in
विंडो हो
plastic.
गया,
television. Ma'am,
टेलीविजन,
In
mirror.
plastic.
Mirror.
मिरर, करेक्ट. देन
Ma'am, pot.
सॉरी,
Fish house or pot.
aquarium.
Ma'am, glass table.
Glass table, correct. Aquarium. Okay,
Ma'am,
anything
this
else?
here cotton and paper is different, no?
बोलो ना यार.
Yes, beta.
तो भरूँ तो गीता मैम को 2 बार हुआ
Ma'am, in
चुका.
cotton there is
हर
cotton
ढोलिया
t-shirt.
keep quiet बेटा. माइक म्यूट कर दो आपको अगर कुछ नहीं बोलना.
कब कर मैं माइक म्यूट कर रहा हूँ तो भी अनम्यूट हो जा रहा है.
क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है?
कौन जाने.
Then what else?
Yes, ma'am, in plastic bottles, plastic bags,
Very
and
good. प्लास्टिक की चीज
in
हमने
wood
डिस्कस कर
table.
ली. What about metal?
मैथमेटिक्स.
मेटल की 5 चीजें बताओ. Which is available at our place?
Ma'am,
Or
at the window there is metal grip. Like not a grip.
grill, yes, ma'am.
Yes, very
Grill.
nice. Then
Ma'am, then Shilai machine, what we said in English?
stitching machine, sewing machine.
Ma'am, ma'am, that only. Metal.
Cupboards or
मैम
cupboards?
Yeah, cupboards.
कब
Yep.
मेटल के कब वो फिर ये हम
Ma'am,
झलिया लगवाते हैं ना वो
क्या क्या?
इंग्लिश में
screw.
बारी के पीछे हम झलिया लगवाते हैं ना.
Yes, grill, correct.
ग्रिल.
That
ग्रिल.
come.
We use any car or like any vehicle. It is made up of metal.
Yes, okay.
मेटल का
So,
एसी.
yes, okay. So we were discussing about metal. So can you name? आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये चीज मेटल है और ये चीज मेटल नहीं है? आपको देख के कैसे पता चलेगा that this is a metal and this is not a metal?
Ma'am, that in color of metal there is silver. Like,
Sorry?
ma'am, silver color that means metal.
No, that doesn't mean metal, but you are going on the right track. थोड़ा और सोचो और सही से बताओ.
मैम
Yes.
व्हाट. मेटल. क्या मैम. मेटल वो होता है हार्ड होता है झाड़ा होता है.
Okay, it is hard.
मैम मेटल
Then
कड़क होता है.
hard is okay. Hard, kadak, one and the same thing. Then what else?
झाड़ा होता है.
That
What else?
मैम मेटल में शाइन होती है.
Yes, that property of a metal is called luster. Very good. Who said that? Hassan Kapasi.
और डोल.
मैम with the yes.
Who said that? Metal में shine होती है.
अयस
किसने
विद्या.
बताया?
अयस
Ma'am with the
विद्या.
yes.
yes.
Okay, very good, Ayaz Bidda. So that property of a metal is called luster. Okay. Then what else? Please keep your mics mute. Thank you. And if your mics are unmute, you are talking to me. Don't make noise. Thank you. Then what
Okay.
else? What else are the properties of metal? एक luster हो गया. Luster means उसमें shine होती है. Okay. Then what else? What else? Hassan Kapasi, think of something. Ragib Hassan, think of something.
मैम व्हाट.
कि अगर मेटल और नॉन मेटल सामने पड़ा हो तो हमें कैसे देख के पता चलेगा कि ये मेटल है और ये नॉन मेटल है?
ये साइन करता है ना उसकी वजह से.
मैम जो मेटल होता है ना मैम वो बल नहीं
Ma'am,
जाता. जो नॉन मेटल होता है ना वो टूट भी जाता है.
ओके. देन
ma'am,
व्हाट एल्स? हाँ बेटा.
ma'am,
मैम
real
मेटल में वेट होता है. जो नॉन मेटल.
ma'am,
हम्म. Hmm.
Real
मेटल
metal
पिघल जाता है ज्यादा गर्मी
come from magnet that we put
Okay, they
at the
attract from magnet. Very good, very good. Then,
front of that
eh,
real metal that
मेटल
we
पिघल जाते हैं आग में
joint. And if we put fake metal, so it can't join.
okay. Then, अगर आप प्लास्टिक की चीज गिराओगे, keep quiet. Whose mic is unmute?
मैम अर्श
Or string.
Beta, do you want to get kicked out? Who is it? Arsh King?
अर्श खोलिया
Yes.
मैम देखो मेरा डीपी मैंने दूसरा बदल दिया, कैसा है?
अच्छा है. Please write in the chat box to remove Arsh. Okay. So what we were talking is, if we drop a plastic bottle and if we drop a metal bottle, how will
Yes,
you know
there
that
is.
this is metal and this is
मैम
non-metal?
मैम
There come a
the
voice.
Hmm.
metal voice is louder than the plastic's voice.
Okay, उसकी आवाज different होती है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that property of a metal is called sonorous. The voice, अगर metal की कोई चीज गिरती है तो टंग जैसे आवाज आती है, right? So that property
यस
of a
मैम, और
metal
थोड़ा
is called
इको होता है.
echo होता है, correct? So that property of a
Yes.
metal is called sonorous.
Sonorous.
तो उसकी आवाज से भी हमें पता चलता है that this is a metal. फिर in electric wires, are electric wires made of metal or non-metal?
Non-metal, ma'am.
मैम मेटल से बनते हैं कोई कोई, और कोई कोई नॉन मेटल से भी बनते हैं.
इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स बेटा नॉन मेटल से नहीं बन सकता. नॉन मेटल्स जो होते
मैम
हैं
इलेक्ट्रिक
वो,
वायर्स कॉपर से बनता है और वो मेटल है.
और कॉपर मेटल है ना? कॉपर इज अ
यस मैम,
मेटल, नो?
कॉपर मेटल है.
यस मैम.
यस मैम.
Yes.
मैंने कैसा बोला आंसर?
अच्छा बोला.
चॉकलेट चाहिए हो?
ओके. सो
वो भी पता है.
copper metal, okay, copper is a metal and only metals can conduct electricity. Conduct electricity का मतलब वही electricity को अपने अंदर से पास होने देंगे. If it is a non metal, it will not allow to conduct electricity. इसीलिए हमें कभी कभी शॉक लगता है if we are stuck to an electric wire, तो हम रबर की चप्पल से अपने आप को छुड़ाते हैं, क्योंकि रबर की चप्पल है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को अपने अंदर से पास नहीं होने देती. ओके, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
In that.
वाटर इज मेटल और नॉन मेटल.
What?
वाटर.
Water
वाटर.
is nor a metal nor a non metal बेटा, बट उसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट हो सकती है
यस
वाटर में से.
यस
बट
मैम,
वो
दैट्स व्हाई.
मेटल भी नहीं है, वो नॉन मेटल भी नहीं है, वो लिक्विड स्टेट में है, तो मेटल नॉन मेटल नहीं हो सकता. एंड इट इज मेड ऑफ टू थिंग्स. सी, वाटर की केमिकल फॉर्मूला क्या है? H2O है,
यस मैम.
करेक्ट?
H2.
Yes.
H2O.
Oh.
The chemical formula of metal is, sorry, the chemical formula of water is H2O. तो इसमें ऑक्सीजन भी
मैम
नॉन
मीन्स
मेटल है और
हाइड्रोजन.
हाइड्रोजन भी नॉन मेटल. यस, हाइड्रो H means hydrogen and O means oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन.
सो हाइड्रोजन भी नॉन मेटल है और ऑक्सीजन भी नॉन मेटल है. सो नन ऑफ दीज थिंग्स आर मेटल्स, ओके. पर फिर भी वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज उसमें बहुत सारे फ्री आयंस होते हैं जो हमारे अंदर वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं, हमें शॉक दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? H2O is not, it is a liquid substance which is made up of two elements which are non-metals. Okay? और वो
Okay,
लिक्विड
ma'am.
स्टेट में है, लिक्विड स्टेट में है, इसलिए वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
यस
ओके,
मैम.
तो शुड वी स्टॉप द लेक्चर हियर? और मैं फोर्थ लेक्चर में आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक, सॉरी, फेयर बुक्स चेक करने आऊंगी. प्लीज बी प्रेजेंट. ओके?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
ओके.
Okay. Okay.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Bye.
एनीथिंग
Bye.
एल्स?
मैम
मेरा
No,
सारा
ma'am. Nothing.
इज मेटल और नॉन मेटल.
देखो मैम,
मैम मीन्स फॉर
व्हाट?
मैम